If you are so ever inclined to add Soundcloud to your site, this comes with a number of new controls. Let's go to Add Elements, and this is the audio element. Drop it, and by default, it's going to give us Soundcloud with a link. Select it, and then here you will paste your link. I'll grab a link, click here on Copy Link just to see if it works. Select it and paste Control-Command-V. And there we go. New one is in control. And what we have now here under Advanced is you have a lot of options what you want to display. You don't want the like button to appear there, or the buy button, download button, take that out, share button. Maybe you don't want the comments on your site. You just want the song, play counts, no, as well as the username. And you can really take control over what is displayed here and what you don't want to display in the SoundCloud audio element.